This video is going to show you an inexpensive way to speed up your troubleshooting time for battery draw in vehicles. So this will save you time and money in the long run. It doesn't replace real troubleshooting, but it's an excellent way to speed up the process. You just need an Android phone, and this camera, this thermal image camera, we'll have a link to it at the end of the video, and it will only work on Android. Sorry, iPhone users, you will need an Android to do this. I've already installed the app. It will wake up automatically and start using the camera. So now I can have it show me what's hot and what's not. It's pretty sensitive. Even if I put my hand on something, it'll show the temperature difference. So this helps you find modules that are awake when they shouldn't be. You can shoot pictures right in the app, edit them, send them to the customer, see what they want to do, if they want you to continue with the repair. And when you're done, just close the app, put it away, done. So this is the draw we had, modules staying awake that shouldn't have been drawing current. And this is how we found it. USB modules were staying awake when they shouldn't be, and getting pretty hot actually. So there was this fuse box underneath the driver's dash. We pulled two fuses out there, and there's our drop. So this is just one that's also one under the passenger seat that we had to pull. This is the two that were in the driver's box.